wonder of the seas. And I'm going to be taking you on a quick room tour.
Few things you can never take from me. That's my heart, my talent, my soul. Enough of them I move like carbon copy and out of control.
Okay, now winner, it is your redhead dancer Meka Meeks, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, feel free to click the subscribe button, and while you're at it, turn your post notification bell on so you don't miss a video. Now, all the excitement, we are on board Royal Caribbean's Wonder of the Seas, and I'm going to be taking you on a quick room tour of an interior cabin. So let me jump straight into it. All right, so immediately as we enter, we see the beds right here in front of us. The washroom area is right here to the left. We're not going to go in there just as yet. And then we have all of these drawers and cabinets that you can use to put your personal items in. You do have two small bedside tables which has the phone and reading lamps, and to the right there's this lovely mirror here that you can always just check your outfits before you head on out. Love it. And as we make our way down into the stateroom, as you can see, the beds are here. Now you can get the beds separated just like this, or you can get them put together. So this is actually going to be changed up because we did request a king bed. So our lovely stateroom assistant Ashton from St. Vincent, big up yourself, he said he's going to get this all fixed for us. And then over this side is another wardrobe area. As you can see, we already have our stuff in it, and it's not big, but it is just enough room that you would need for your stay while on board. And then over this side is like a nice lovely chill out area with a sofa, some pillows, some nice wall art, just creating a vibe. We do have our waters there that we would have ordered. Then there is this desk here that once again you can put anything that you need to, so you don't really have to worry about space, which is good. Even though the room is quite small, you don't have to worry about space. We do have a fridge and not a chiller, so that's good. And you have this lovely desk area here, and immediately when we walked in, we got our tickets for the different adventures that we will be doing. Obviously we would have gotten the card for our stateroom assistant, our steward as some people would say. And then there's this nice lovely mirror here once again, and it lights up like that, so you can feel free to sit here, do work, you can do your makeup, whatever. It's a nice lovely area. And then of course we have this big lovely TV here just in front of the bed. And what is so nice as well, because they're really maximizing on giving you things that you can use, and you know, just be able to put out your personal stuff. So you do have these here that you can probably hang your bags on or anything like that that you would like to. And moving on now, we're gonna go to the washroom area. Here's the light, and as soon as we open the washroom, we can see there's a bath there, no shower curtain, which is good. Right, and then there's the toilet right there. You do have, once again, a lot of storage space that you can put things. That's our wipes there. We, you know, wipe down. Then there's another storage area along the floor here, and the trash can, which is embedded into that storage area. There's a nice cute sink here. Our towel racks, you have two of them for your bathing towels and your hand and your face towels. And then this gorgeous mirror here again. So as you can see, the stateroom is pretty straight to the point, perfect size for your stay on board. It has a lot of storage space, which is good, that you can just put all your things. There's also a safe if you want to put your personal things like your passport, maybe extra cash that you don't want lying around the stateroom that you know you want to be secured. That's pretty good. So yeah, this is pretty much it so far for this stateroom. I hope you all enjoy it. I'm going to give you an overview once again of the stateroom going through. So stay tuned. Here comes that video. Alright y'all, so I hope you enjoyed just that quick room tour on board Royal Caribbean's Wonder of the Seas interior cabin. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned because I will be bringing you along with me for every single adventure on this vacation. And I will see you all in the next video. Later.